Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on the iRobot Roomba Plus 405. If you're interested in the 405, the link to it will be in the video description. So, first things first, on the station itself, we need to remove this cover. There's a little grip cut out here, so you can grab that. You basically pull towards yourself and pull down, revealing our vacuum bag that we need to remove. They have instructions on the cover too. And if you're getting this new right out of the box, you should have a second vacuum bag stored right there for you to use as your replacement. You could store a couple or another replacement one in there as well. You can see how the bag's designed. So simple cover. Once you have it removed, you want to keep that up like this to seal that so you're not getting dirt and dust everywhere. But that's what the vacuum bags look like. So you can take the current bag that's in there, you can pull it out like so, dispose of it, right? And then you can take your new vacuum bag. Make sure with the new bag, you have the handle already all the way down like this, or else you will risk getting that bent because it's really firm to get that in there. So make sure your bag is exactly like this as you line it up to then be able to have enough force to push everything in. But when you pull out, the whole thing will come out like that, no big deal. But if you want to push it in like this, you will most likely rip that section. So make sure when you're installing the bag, you have it like so to line it up, be able to firmly press that in place because there's a nice seal and suction right there. Shut the lid, and that's it.